Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add multiple quantity on a listing on eBay. So all you have to do is head over to ebay.com/sell, and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, just start listing an item by clicking on list an item. From here, just start describing the product you're trying to sell. Say for example, we're going to sell a phone case for iPhone 13. Then just click on search. We're just going to proceed without much. Say for example, the condition is used, and just proceed to listing. And from here, just scroll down. And from here, you should be able to see the quantity option, but it's still disabled as of the moment. And for us to enable it, all you have to do is change the format from auction to buy it now. And just by that, you can now type the quantity of the product you want to sell. Say for example, we're going to sell 5 pieces. Then once done, you can now start listing your product. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!